Honorable Speaker Lok Sabha, Shri Om Birla Ji, Honorable Minister of State Independent Charge for Youth Affairs and Sports, Shri Kiren Rijiju Ji, Secretary Youth Affairs, Secretary Sports, Honorable Jury Members, Srimati Rupa Ganguly Ji, Shri Praful Kelkar Ji, participants, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, all of you. Let me extend a warm welcome to all our dignitaries and guests, and especially the brightest of our youth parliamentarians at the historic Central Hall of the Parliament of India, the very hall where the transfer of power took place and where the Constituent Assembly met between 1946 and 1949 to frame the Constitution of India. The President of India addresses joint sittings of both Houses of Parliament at the commencement of the first session after each general election and at the commencement of the first session of Parliament each year in this very hall. This is just to enthuse and excite our young friends about the momentous significance of the Central Hall of Parliament of India, where we are meeting today. The idea of this festival was mooted by the Honorable Prime Minister with a view to exposing the parliamentarians of tomorrow very early on as they make career choices with nuances of parliamentary procedures and the cut and thrust of parliamentary debates. Honorable Speaker Lok Sabha has been making all-out efforts at engaging with state legislatures, with the grassroots democratic institutions, for example, our panchayats, and now through this festival, the youth of this country, in the hope that through these engagements, the democratic spirit of our country will be nurtured and strengthened. The Parliament of India is extremely happy and privileged to host our youth parliamentarians who have reached the final stage through a difficult nationwide selection process. I wish to express my thanks to the Department of Youth Affairs, Government of India, for giving us this opportunity of hosting the grand finale of the National Youth Parliament Festival 2021, for which there could not have been a more appropriate venue. During the two-day event, we will have the good fortune of hearing the views of Honorable Prime Minister of India, Honorable Speaker, and Honorable Minister of State, Youth Affairs and Sports about the richness of our parliamentary democracy. I'm sure our youth parliamentarians will find the experience during the two-day event here very enriching and rewarding, and hopefully in not too distant a future, we may find some of them occupying these very seats in the hallowed Houses of Parliament. With these words, I once again thank all the dignitaries and our honorable jury members who have taken out their valuable time to be here today. I also express my thanks to Secretary Srimati Usha Sharma ji and Shri Ravi Mittal ji, officers of the Departments of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, the Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan, and the officers of Pride and the Lok Sabha Secretariat for their efforts at organizing this momentous and memorable event. Finally, my best wishes to all the participants of this competition. Thank you.